Hey there, my name's Kasey. I guess I was playing too many video games again because my mom told me to go outside and get some exercise. It's really nice out today though, and guess what? I brought my dog with me. His name's Puddles. We're just taking a walk down Main Street, soaking in the vibes. There's always something interesting going on around here. Oh look, we're walking past that cool music store. Look at those guitars hanging in the window. I'd love to get my hands on that beauty. Just imagine what life would be like if I had that baby.
Kasey, 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 Kasey.
$500? Yowza. I'm gonna have to do a lot more chores to pay for that one, Puddles. Hey, what's that sound? You know what? That gives me an idea. Hey Puddles, let's hurry up and get home before I forget this great idea for a new exercise on the guitar. Come on, buddy. Okay, check this out. I was playing this exercise the other day, which is super helpful for picking the strings and going higher up the neck. I didn't know what to call it, but when I saw that airplane taking off, it gave me the idea to call it the airplane. I want to show you how to play the airplane too, so you can get even better at picking the strings on the guitar. Now make sure you have a guitar pick for this exercise, because this is a picking exercise. If you don't have a guitar pick, that's okay, I guess. You can just use your fingers for now, but you should really get a guitar pick. You can even make one out of an old library card that isn't good anymore. So here's what the airplane sounds like. For this exercise, we're going to be playing the bottom first string. Go ahead, play that now. The airplane looks like a hard exercise to learn, but it's actually quite simple because we always play a note on the string with our pointer finger and then play the string open 3 times. For example, we start with 2 on the first string. Try that. And then play the open string 3 times. 1, 2, 3. Now we go to 4. 4. 0, 0, 0. 5. 0, 0, 0. 7. 0, 0, 0. 9. 0, 0, 0. 11. 0, 0, 0. And 12. 0, 0, 0. So the frets that we're going to push down on are 2, 4, 5, 7, 9, 11, and 12. The airplane is also very helpful for finding different frets on the guitar. Some frets have dots on them, like we've learned in an earlier video. The dots on my guitar are on 3, 5, 7, 9, and 12. 12 has 2 dots. Let's play the airplane again. Start with the 2nd fret on the first string. Now play the open string 3 times. 1, 2, 3. Now let's go to the 4th fret on the same string. 0, 0, 0, 5, 0, 0, 0, 7, 0, 0, 0, 9, 0, 0, 0, 11, 0, 0, 0, 12, 0, 0, 0. To get it to sound really good, what you want to do is you want to play a very steady beat like this. You can also play this exercise going down. So when we go up, it kind of sounds like the airplane's taking off. And when you go down, it sounds like it's landing. So to go down, you start at 12. 12, 0, 0, 0, and you work down the same way you came up. 11, 0, 0, 0, 9, 0, 0, 0, 7, 5, 4, Well, I got my exercise in for the day, and I'm feeling pretty tired. I think it might be time for a nap. Just look at puddles. Rest up, boy, and get your energy, because tomorrow we're going to do some extra chores, if you know what I mean.
Kasey,